Hey church, how you doing? It's Craig here with your weekend update from Hillside. I just wanted to let you know what we got coming up in the room tomorrow, the final day of January, for you. So the service will start as per usual, 9:30 down at Hillside Church, and we're continuing and finishing our local legends series that's been running all the way through the month of January. I hope those of you that were in the room last Sunday were blessed by Helen Wallace's great testimony. So vulnerable, so authentic, and so godly in the way it came across. Really, really enjoyed Helen's message, and you're in for another treat this Sunday, tomorrow morning, because we've got Solomon Opong bringing the final of our Local Legends series. Those of you that have seen Solomon preach before will know he just brings the word with such authority. He's such a prayerful, humble man. I love Solomon, and I know that you are going to be blessed once again tomorrow morning. So if you can, come down to be in the room from 9:30. We'd love to host you, and would love to have you part of the Hillside family as Solomon brings the word. Now, before Solomon does so, we'll also be hearing from Kirsty Wallace, who has been coordinating the Hillside Mums group, and that's about to kick off for 2021. They've got an event coming up on Wednesday, the 10th of February, but Kirsty's going to just join me up before the message and share a little bit of her heart and a little bit of the plans that they've got for 2021 in the Hillside Mums group. Also, just finally, for those of you that weren't in the room last week, our Containers for Change bins have moved, okay? So you won't find them in the foyer, and please don't leave your cans and bottles in the foyer this Sunday, tomorrow. All of the Containers for Change bins are now located on the outside corner of the church kitchen. So those of you that enter through the small car park on a Sunday morning, you'll find with all the other bins, with all the other recycling bins, there are three very well marked and designated Containers for Change bins. They've got holes in the lids of the bins, so you can put your bottles, cans and containers in there. Try and get the lids off if you can, please, and you'll find those bins in a new position. So, and thank you obviously for all your support of HCCO. As ever, if you need to get in touch, please drop us a line on the socials, or otherwise, I look forward to hosting you tomorrow morning in the room at Hillside, 9:30. Try and be there. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Take care. God bless. Bye.